अभी हमें न्यूज़ में बहुत कुछ देखने को मिल रहा है, जैसे कि लेह लद्दाख में जैन लोगों का प्रोटेस्ट एंड सिमिलर प्रोटेस्ट इज हैपनिंग इन द उत्तराखंड देहरादून. सो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो सोशल मीडिया में बोल रहे हैं इंडिया इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट नेपाल. So let's see why India cannot be the next Nepal. The number one reason here we Indian belongs to different culture. We have a different set of languages. So it's very difficult to unite those all the peoples together in Delhi. And unlike the Kathmandu, which is just 2 hours away from any provinces of the Nepal, Delhi is something which sits at the top of the India. And India is a very vast country. So it's very difficult for the people or for the protesters to move from different part of the country to come to Delhi. It takes time as well as the money. Suppose someone successfully gather all the protesters in Delhi. Though India got a larger enemy and a strong forces, I think they have even more powerful soft power, which we call tactics. They have different tactics through which they can disperse and dissolve the whole protest within maybe 10 to 12 days. We have seen similar kind of examples in farmer protest and CAA protest, in which the protester who was not able to stand for more than 10 days in Delhi. On top of that, India got a lot of informers. So if someone is planning to hold a protest in Delhi in a huge number, they will get informed very quickly. And hence, the police personnel and other securities is going to block the boundaries of Delhi by using maybe barricades or any physical blockage. And that will restrict the people not to come in Delhi in huge numbers. Maybe they will be restricted to 4 to 5,000. Finally, Gen Z of India is more educated and aware of the consequences that might happen by doing the violent actions against the government.